Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to check the RAM type in Windows 10 and 11. Step 1. Let's open our browser, type CPU-Z in the address bar, click Enter, and go to the first site that comes up. Step 2. Let's download the setup file from here. Let's double-click on our program, let's say Download. Step 3. Let's complete the installation by following the steps you see in the video. Step 4. Let's double-click on our program installed on the desktop. Step 5. Let's click on the memory section. In the type section, the RAM type is written. Step 6. My computer uses DDR3 RAM.